Karl, from the highs and lows of football, how tough is that one to take tonight?
Yeah, it's devastating. I think, we played our hearts out. We gave it our all. We played the way that we've played throughout the whole qualifying campaign, and that's got us to this point. And I think we can be proud of what we delivered out there tonight. Penalties is penalties, and unfortunately, we lost the game.
How, I guess, sickening was it to concede that equaliser when you did as well? With, I think there were 86 minutes on the clock at that point.
Yeah, it's tough. That's football. I mean, we still dominated after that. We still had extra time, and we looked like the stronger team, I felt. Listen, we've given it absolutely everything out there tonight, and that's all we could do.
We saw Craig Bellamy, he got you all in a huddle in the pitch after the game. I appreciate emotions are very, very raw right now, but, what was his message, and what's next for this team, do you think?
Yeah, the same messages. I think we're not perfect. We know we're not perfect, but we're playing a brand of football and a style that is exciting, I feel. And we've got so many young players in that group that is still going to grow and still going to get better and progress. And I think it's really exciting still for Welsh football in terms of what's to come. So we've got to take the positives that so many people have experienced this. We've got to hurt, and we've got to stay motivated to go again.